body temperature. Body patient bending normal constant.
ఇప్పుడు రికార్డ్ వస్తుందా వస్తుందా ఆయన వాయిస్
బాబు monitoring
parameters of a patient. The three physiological parameters: heartbeat by measuring, temperature, and MEMS of a patient. This is the transmitter section, which is with the patient, and that is the receiver section, which is with the doctor. 24/7 patient cannot be monitored all the time. So for this technique, we have find a way. This is the way, and if any change in the measurement, the patient can be addressed at the spot. Madam, at least
ఇక్కడ మామూలుగా తెలుస్తుందన్న బ్లడ్ ప్రెషర్ టైట్గా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇంకా ప్రెషర్కి కొంచెం కౌంట్ వస్తూ ఉంటుంది అదొక ప్రెషర్
హలో వీడియోస్ మీరు ఇక్కడ ఇది వెబ్సైట్ మొత్తం రికార్డ్ అవుతుంది
Project is that we are designing the rectangular microstrip patch array antenna. Actually, WiMAX is nothing but it's an extension of Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi covers only up to certain range, as you already know, up to 100 meters. That's it. Means we could cover this distance. We could increase the distance. Nothing but in rural areas we could cover up to 10 kilometers, and compared to urban areas we could cover only up to 4 kilometers because of the reflections with the buildings and other all elements. So, coming to the designing, we are designing this microstrip patch array antenna. First, going to the single antenna. This is a single antenna. This is a microstrip patch antenna. Here is a radiating element, which is nothing but patch, and this is the substrate whose dielectric constant will be 4.3. Dielectric constant, we could change the dielectric constant, but we are considering the available dielectric constant as 4.3. Actually, the dielectric constant range should be between 2 and 12, but we are considering 4.3. You could also choose other constants also, like 4.6 and all. But when we consider low dielectric constant only, it would be providing more coverage here. And coming to this, brown indicates the substrate and yellow indicates the patch, and beneath that is the ground plane. Port is indicated by the red color, through means of which we are exciting the antenna. And the material used for the ground plane and the patch are the same. Patch is nothing but the radiating element. So we are using the 50 ohms feed line for the excitation purpose. To match this feed line to the patch, we are designing the matching transformer, that is lambda by 4 transformer, according to which impedance is to be calculated. This is 50 ohms impedance, and to match this 50 ohms to this patch, we have to calculate the edge impedance of this patch. For that purpose, we are using the formula under root of 50 into 100, which is approximately 70.1. So we are designing
time by the doctor. So we have improved a technique, the Zigbee based physiological parameters monitoring system. Any changes in the health status of the patient can be monitored by the doctor on the spot. So we are using and we have used the ARM processor for this technique, sir. For the wireless transmission, we have used a Zigbee module, sir. Instead of that, we can use Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. But why we have used Zigbee is that it is a low power consumption supply protocol, sir.
And we'll be monitoring from each minute. Already in ARM processor it will be inbuilt timers for every minute, and they will be counting for every minute. This will be heartbeat sensor, sir. If you want, you can check. This one. Every minute it will be displaying, sir, and it will be sent to the receiver. It will be displayed the doctor, sir. They will be monitoring for every minute. It is not possible to go in every time and near patient. It will be monitoring. So it is. Each minute it will be. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 7 plus.
How differently you did this already existing, right?
And you'll be observing all the meters, all the parameters, sorry. And it will be a time waste and you'll be consuming a lot of time lost.
More physical parameters, if you
And we can increase the number of sensors also. By increasing the number of sensors, you'll be measuring more parameters.
So what made you to choose this kind of project?
Actually, we have done a mini project based on ARM7. So we want to extend some more project, some more development comparing to the mini project. So we selected these projects to do on ARM7.
Facility is there in all hospitals?
No, sir, it is not existing in all hospitals because it is costly and in small hospitals they will be not preferring it.
How much it costed you?
12,000 around. Yes, sir.
Spent from your pockets?
Yes. Yes, sir. My dad is.
matching these two, we have to design the matching transformer, sir.
Yes, yes.
Using we have to calculate first the edge impedance
Yes,
and
yes.
the patch. Then we have to match this to the transformer.
Total it 12,000. 12,000.
When we increase the number of elements, we'll be getting
It's in
Otherwise, how much?
increase the number of sensors and the cost will be increasing. 3 new sensors.
Please define that.
Sure.
That will be the end of
Thank you, sir.
It is to design the rectangular microstrip antenna for WiMAX applications, sir. WiMAX is that it's an extension of Wi-Fi, sir. Using Wi-Fi, we could cover only up to 100 meters, sir. But using WiMAX, we could cover more distance, sir. It's an extension of Wi-Fi. We could, in rural areas, we could cover 10 kilometers, sir. While in urban areas, we could cover 4 kilometers, sir. Due to the reflections on due to buildings and other objects, sir. Using Wi-Fi, as you could observe, sir, this orange region indicates the coverage region, sir. And using WiMAX, we could cover entire regions. And for this purpose, we are designing the microstrip array antenna, sir. This is single antenna, sir. Actually, we have chosen this antenna because of its low size, low cost, and it's versatile and it's conformable, sir. Nowadays, for industrial and commercial purposes also, we are using this antenna, sir, in mobiles. So, microstrip antenna consists of the patch on one side, sir, and ground plane on the other side, sir. And for both purposes, we are using copper as a material, sir. And brown indicates the substrate, sir, FR4. It's the flame retardant substrate, sir. Actually, we have to choose a substrate with low dielectric constant, sir. RT Duro at 570 is suitable, sir. But nowadays in market, the FR4 is available, sir, readily. That's why we have chosen this, sir. And its value is 4.3, sir. It's a constant. And red indicates the port, sir, to the means of which we have to feed this antenna, sir.
All the guides are requested to be present at their respective stalls.
We're using 50 ohms feed line.
When
sir.
visitors,
Actually, we are
distinguished guests are visiting, I request all guides to be present to be available at the respective stalls.
Higher power handling capacity is 73 ohms, and the route of 37 and 73 is 50 ohms, sir, approximately. So we have chosen 50 ohms feed line, sir. To match this feed line to the patch, we have to design the matching transformer, sir. That's why we have choose this matching transformer, sir. And to design this, we have to first calculate the edge impedance of the patch, sir. This is we have designed using 70 ohms, sir. This impedance is 70 ohms, sir. And with single antenna, we'll be getting low gain and directivity, sir, as you could observe here in this diagram. This is a radiation pattern, sir, of the single antenna. When we go on increasing the number of elements, nothing but radiating elements, then we'll be getting more gain and more directivity, sir. That's the aim of our project. So this is a linear configuration we have arranged, sir, array configuration. Linear in here, we have to use this matching transformer whose impedance is 70 ohms, sir. And actually, we are using this corporate feeding network because equal amount of power is transmitted to all the patches, sir. And we could increasing when we change the frequency, that is when we increase the frequency to 2.5 instead of 2.5, then also we'll be getting more better results, sir. It's an open end frequency, so we are choosing this, sir. And this is the VSWR, sir, 1.06.
How far is the get
More coverage area.
and usability? That is flexibility of code. How to limit, tell you, we can extend it.
1/8, 1/16, then we can use it, sir. We can implement it.
Where do you say, suppose you don't have finance campus,
Yes.
implement that? Like that application. You can do it.